Hello, fellow pirates. Welcome back to Dreadlock Gaming. With this week's reset, we got the dragons. Well, with the dragons, we got dragon claws. So, we are now able to craft the Heaven's Mandate lightning culverins. I like them. I do. And I'm bringing you a build that utilizes them. It is a chain lightning junk build. This is not an extremely tanky build. It's defensive, but it's not extremely tanky like my flooding build. Basically, this will be used, in my opinion, for like convoys or stuff where ships gather, where you're going to have multiple ships around you at once. You could use it in boss fights. You could use it on legendary heists where you've got the multiple ships you're fighting, convoys. It could possibly be a damage dealing build for like fort plunders if you're doing stuff with groups. I like running it solo on stuff where you've got multiple ships as targets, like convoys. That's kind of what I came up with it for. So let's get into the build. Now, we are using the junk, and one of the reasons we're using the junk is if you're within 200 meters, which usually whenever you're doing a convoy you are, it applies a taunt. Applying taunt makes ship target vulnerable, 50% increased weak point damage, and from all sources increases brace strength by 150 and recovery by 25. Endure receives 2% less damage per attack each time incoming damage is braced, and because it's a chain lightning build, you're going to be bracing. Not all the time, but often, because you're going to want to. It can stack up to 20%, expires if after 12 if no damage is taken. Inflicts taunt on targets within 125 meters while bracing against hits. So I like the perks on the junk. They're nice. Now let's look at what we're using. We're using Heaven's Mandate all the way around. Now, the reason I'm using them all the way around is so that we can get the most out of the weapons we're using. You could throw the DTs, the Divine Thunders, on the front and back if you want some more range, but you want to be up close and personal, technically within 200 meters. So Heaven's Mandate is good. For the auxiliary, we're using the Warhammer. You could use the Crouching Tiger if you wanted to reduce their damage and instantly apply the taunt. So you can change it up a little bit if you want to. It's however you want to play it. Now, the armor we are using is Celestial Dance. And we're using the Celestial Dance because of Lightning Stream. Bracing charges a lightning attack that will chain up to 4 targets and deal up to 1,600 electric damage per target. The longer the brace is held, the more powerful the attack and the further the lightning will reach. Well, whenever you're fighting multiple ships at once, this is real handy. Furniture we're using. Because it's an up close and personal build, we are using the Scrapper Station. You get those crew attacks, get a little bit extra health. Keep your health topped off easier. We are using Companion Spirit Locker because we're going to be bracing a lot, plus more armor. Screens for reduced area of effect from enemy ships, less chance to be burning, and more health. Beam supports, more health, more armor. You want to make it tanky. We are using Amber Coating Station to increase the Stormstruck effect. So it charges up faster and it increases duration. and we are using Culverin Works, so you get 19% more piercing and lightning damage. Now, you could argue that you want to use the charge stores, but I mean, you do a little bit more damage with charge stores, but you'd be giving up something defensive, in my opinion, and you want this to be tanky. So that's how we're doing it. Now, where can you get stuff? Heaven's Mandate. You can get from a chest from killing the dragon, or you can craft it from a blueprint that you buy from the Hunt Master at Lenitra that requires dragon claws. Warhammer, Black Market. It could end up coming up in one of the rotations from Yanita or a legacy chest. That's how you get it. The celestial armor. I took it off. I didn't mean to. The celestial dance is from the black market. It is a sovereign purchase, so you do have to spend sovereign on it. Furniture, scriber station, you get from all sorts of places, so you can also craft it. Companier screens comes from a black RHS from the twins. Spirit Locker is a black RHS from the twins. Screens is a white RHS from the twins. Beam supports has dropped off of several things. One of the new convoys, I think you've got, I can get it off a boss. The amber coating station, it came from the season pass. You can also get it out of a chest from the dragons now. And the Culverin Works, crafted at your carpenter. Now, let's see what we have we can do. Well, let's see. Risk of the Rising Tide. Let's go do that. It just started. We're gonna eat some brace food. The mandate, you do not have to hit a weak point in order to get a lightning, but it's a little bit weaker. Use those cool attacks. Keep your health up. So you shouldn't be losing too much health. If you smash them, they drop their armor, you do more damage. Always ram ships, you do more damage because you are debuffing their armor. Doesn't matter what ship you're in. Yes, the ram is better on a brigantine and a Badar, but any ship can break the armor by at least 100 points. So, ram. Charge. tanky version of this, just like I did with the flooding one. You shoot the little boxes on the back of the convoys, they can't call for help. Nice thing is you're always taunting them, so you're always doing 50% less damage. It's not as fast time to kill as the same boat, but it's fun. Especially with all the dancing lightning. Break their shield, break their armor. Oh, we didn't get it. Not too bad, not terribly fast. Fun build to play. Lots of dancing lights. I like the build. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching Troutlight Gaming. Keep an eye out for more Skull and Bones videos soon. I'm gonna have some more coming up soon. Hit that like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Also check out Banished Souls Official on YouTube. Come and join us on Banished Souls Discord. Links will be below. And remember, never give up the ship.